Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your iPhone experience even smoother. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to add your Apple Card to Apple Pay on your iPhone. If you've got an Apple Card and want to start using it for seamless, contactless payments, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward and only takes a couple of minutes, but it can save you time and hassle in the long run. Let's get started. First things first, make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. You can check this by going to Settings, General, Software Update. Once you're all set, open the Wallet app on your home screen. It's that green icon with a wallet symbol. If you don't see it, swipe through your apps or search for it using Spotlight. Now, inside the Wallet app, tap on the plus sign, plus, in the upper right corner. This will bring up options to add a new card. Select Add Apple Card from the list. If you're new to this, you might need to sign in with your Apple ID. Next, follow the on-screen prompts to enter your Apple Card details. If you received an invitation via email or the Wallet app, tap on that to get started. It'll guide you through verifying your identity. You'll be asked to verify with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode for security purposes. Once that's done, review the information and tap Agree to the terms. Boom! Your Apple Card should now appear in your Wallet app, ready to use with Apple Pay. To test it out, go to a store or use it online. Just double-click the side button on your iPhone and authenticate with your face or fingerprint. One quick tip. If you run into any issues, like an error message, double-check your internet connection or restart your iPhone. Apple Pay works best with the latest updates, so keep that in mind. That's it for this tutorial. You've now got your Apple Card set up and ready to go. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more iPhone hacks, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.